Are you tired of feeling like your marriage is just getting by? Do you yearn for a deeper connection, a stronger foundation, a love that truly lasts? You are not alone, and you are in the right place. Today, we are talking about the secret weapon for a thriving marriage, working by faith. Stay tuned. Welcome to Dr. Jonathan TV, where we equip you with biblical wisdom and practical tools to build the marriage God intended. I'm Dr. Jonathan, and after years of working with couples, I've seen firsthand that true marital success is not just about effort, it's about faith. Many couples work hard at their marriage, they read books, they go on dates, they try to communicate. And while effort is vital, sometimes it feels like we are constantly pushing a boulder uphill. Why? Because we often forget the spiritual dimension. We try to build a magnificent house on shaky ground. The Bible reminds us in Psalms 127 verse 1, unless the Lord builds the house, the builder labor in vain. This applies directly to our marriages. So what does it mean to have your marriage working by faith? First, it means trusting God's design. It's believing that His principle for marriage, love, honor, submission, forgiveness, are not just suggestions, but blueprints for flourishing when conflict arises, when exhaustion sets in. Our first response is not to lash out or retreat, but to ask God, what does your word say about this situation? How can I honor you and my spouse right now, right away? Secondly, working by faith means making prayer the engine of your marriage. It's not just a nice ritual, it's your power source. Pray for your spouse, pray with your spouse, and pray for your marriage as a unit. Imagine the spiritual protection, the wisdom, and the unity that comes from regularly inviting God into every aspect of your relationship. I challenge you, start with just 5 minutes of prayer together each day. It's transformative. Finally, working by faith requires extending grace and forgiveness. We are imperfect people, married to imperfect people. We will make mistakes and we will be hurt. But our faith calls us to forgive as Christ has forgiven us. Remember what is written in Colossians chapter 3 verse 13. This is not about excusing bad behavior. It's about releasing bitterness and allowing God to heal and restore. It's choosing to see your spouse through the lens of God's grace. So remember, for your marriage to truly work by faith, you need this 3 point. Number 1, to trust God's design. Number 2, make prayer your power source. Number 3, to extend grace and forgiveness. I believe these are the cornerstones. I want you to hear from you. And I want to hear from you which of these 3 points resonate most with you today. Let me know in the comment section below. And before we conclude, there's this video I want you to go and watch. It's about finances. You've been struggling in how to manage your finances in your marriage. But I want you to go and check on this video and you see what will happen next. The way you'll be now managing your finances. If this message encouraged you, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Jonathan TV for more marriage and faith wisdom, and share this video with a couple who needs it. Until next time, may God bless your marriage abundantly.